Hey everyone, today I want to share how you can downgrade Filmora to older versions. Sometimes, we accidentally update Filmora, and when we try to export our project, it asks for an upgrade. This can be really frustrating, especially if we've put a lot of work into our project. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process. If you have a project open in Filmora and it's asking for an upgrade when you try to export it, but you've purchased Filmora older versions, you can easily downgrade. Just follow these steps. Open your browser and search for DOWNGRADE Filmora. Click on the first website that appears and scroll up to find the older version link. Download the downgrade version from there. Once downloaded, open the file and install it. Click on Run. Then click on OK. Now, because the latest version has been installed, you'll need to uninstall it. Click on Yes. If Filmora is already open, close it and then click on OK. Now, click on Next, accept the agreement and click on Next again. The installation of Filmora has started. After installation, launch your Filmora old version. Now, open the project you want to export. You won't be able to edit it in Filmora older version, but you can export it. Go to the export option, set the video quality, and click Export. Your video will start exporting without asking for an upgrade. That's it. You've successfully downgraded Filmora 2 and exported your project without any hustle.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates.